Hey XRP family, welcome back to Crypto Labs News. Hope you're all doing great today. We need to talk about XRP and the crypto market because we've seen a little dip. XRP is down just over 2%. It briefly slipped under $3, and while that might make some people nervous, this isn't a red alert situation. Instead, it's a chance to look at what's happening in the market, why prices are down, and whether XRP could dip a little more before September wraps up. And of course, we'll look at what October and the rest of Q4 could have in store, along with some updated XRP price expectations. Right now, XRP is sitting at about $2.99, down 2.8% on the day. The broader market is also in the red here on Friday, September 19th. At one point, the total market was down over 2.5%, though we've recovered a little bit since then. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both down, Bitcoin by about 1.5% and Ethereum closer to 3%. Most of the big altcoins are also sliding. Solana, Dogecoin, Tron, and Cardano are down between 2% and 4%, while Chainlink has dropped about 5%. So what we're seeing is really a standard market correction across the board. So, why is this happening? The main driver right now looks like profit-taking in altcoins. A number of the top trending tokens have dropped between 9% and 30% in recent days. In fact, 5 of the 6 hottest tokens have fallen sharply. This kind of action usually points to traders cashing out after strong runs. On top of that, we just had the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. Markets had already been pumping going into it, and once the news came out, yes, rates lowered, we saw a delayed sell the news reaction. Nothing catastrophic, just the usual ebb and flow. Looking at the rest of September, I expect more choppy price action. We'll probably see XRP in the broader market give back 1% or 2% on some days, then regain that ground on others. Sideways, volatile, range-bound trading is the theme until we push through the end of the month. And while October 1st doesn't mean we instantly moon, Q4 historically has been the period to watch. October, November, December, that's when momentum tends to return in a big way. And let's be real about the targets people are eyeing. Bitcoin potentially stretching toward $150,000 to $200,000. Ethereum pushing past its old all-time highs and possibly doubling to $8,000. And for XRP? That $10, $15, even $20 range remains on the radar for this next cycle. None of this happens overnight, but the setups are aligning for the months ahead. Zooming in on XRP specifically, the chart tells a clear story. We've been stuck in a sideways consolidation channel for over 60 days now, literally 2 full months of chop inside a narrow range. That kind of price action is often a build-up phase before a bigger move. So, for traders, this isn't a bad thing, it's an opportunity. If you're looking to trade these swings, tools like trading indicators can help you time entries and exits. My setup gives buy and sell AL.